In today's hospitals, staff waste far too much time searching for equipment and colleagues. Even more concerning is that equipment either sits unused or isn't available when needed, while maintenance keeps getting delayed. Columna Search and Find allows staff to quickly locate equipment while checking its status in real time. Equipment is seamlessly integrated into an ecosystem which automatically triggers tasks for appropriate staff members, whether it's beds needing cleaning, devices requiring maintenance, or depots needing restocking based on predefined rules. With equipment tracking, you'll be able to reduce equipment idle time, automate maintenance and cleaning processes, and improve equipment localization, allowing staff to quickly find what they need. Additionally, the platform is vendor neutral, being compatible with multiple tracking infrastructures and highly scalable, making it suitable for single departments as well as entire hospital networks. Hospitals using our solution achieve remarkable results, including increased clinical availability of critical equipment to 98% and eliminating time spent searching for equipment. Contact us to discover how Columna Search and Find can optimise your hospital's operations.